Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be handling this problem. Let's take a look. Given sin theta is 1 over root 5, determine the tangent of 90 minus theta. So sin theta is 1 over root 5. We can multiply by root 5 over root 5, which is the same as multiplying by 1. To get sin theta is the same as 1 over root 5 or root 5 over 5. They're all the same thing. So the tangent of 90 minus theta is the cotangent of theta. This comes about because the cotangent of theta is complementary to the tangent of 90 minus theta. That's what we call a complementary identity. The cotangent of theta is cos theta divided by sin theta. This comes about because the cotangent of theta is given by the reciprocal of the tangent of theta. So since tangent is given by sine of theta divided by the cosine of theta, the cotangent has to be cosine of theta divided by the sine of theta. So the sine is root 5 over 5. The cosine is what we don't know. We have to recall this Pythagorean identity, which states sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. I derived that in a short, you can check it out. So root 5 over 5 squared, that's the sine value that we have, plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Root 5 over 5 squared is 5 over 25. Because when you square a fraction, you have to square both the numerator and the denominator. 5 over 25 simplifies to 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 plus the cosine squared of theta is 1. So cos squared theta is 1 minus 1 over 5 because we have taken the 1 over 5 to the right hand side. So the cosine squared theta is 4 over 5. So to find the cosine, we'll have to find the square root of that fraction. So when you're finding the square root, you take the square root of the numerator and the square root of the denominator. So the square root of 4 over 5 is 2 root 5. We multiply by root 5 up and down, which is the same as multiplying by 1. Then we'll find it is 2 root 5 over 5. I'm doing this so we rationalize the denominator. So the cotangent of theta is the cosine of theta divided by the sine of theta. The equation on both sides of the board mean the exact same thing. So the cotangent is 2 root 5 over 5. The cosine is 2 root 5 over 5 divided by the sine, which is root 5 over 5. When you are dividing fractions, you have to multiply by the reciprocal. So the cotangent is 2 root 5 over 5 multiplied by 5 over root 5. The root 5's cancel, then also the 5 cancel, leaving us with 2. So the cotangent of theta, which is the same as the tangent of 90 minus theta, is 2. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.